don't be scared to apply the product, because what you see right now, it's not what you're going to see in the end, okay?
Put them hands together. We clapping. We drumming.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, how you doing? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for some weekly content. You gotta make sure your skin is nicely moisturized and hydrated. I go in with Vanessa Marek's Yummy Skin. These two together work wonders. So it is easy to apply. Going in with the blurring bum powder. She is loved because in the T-zone area, because that's where I get most oily. I'm going to underpaint, and I use this to underpaint, and it is just so versatile. I love this, and this is just so handy because it's got literally every color that I need. So I am going to bronze and then add blush. Using a flat brush, I like to blend everything as I'm going. Alright, so going in with concealer. So I'm going in with NARS, and I just conceal the areas that need concealing. And so with blush, I'm going to go with these two colors right here. And I'm just going to go in. And don't be scared to apply the product, because what you see right now, it's not what you're going to see in the end, okay? So don't be scared. So apply the product. If you think it's too much, no, it's not. Before I blend this out, I'm going to go in with a hydration fix. So this one is Radiant Makeup Fix Spray, long wear oil control with hyaluronic acid. So spray. And be generous. And I'm just gonna let it dry for a bit. The areas that I didn't put any products, I'm gonna go in with a foundation. So I'm using Rare Beauty foundation, and I love the applicator on this because I can just apply to my like. All right, so using a dense brush to blend in the foundation, and I usually go back and forth. So I don't pick up any products, I just use what was left on the brush, and I just make it seamless. Because I love a bright under eye, I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer. Going in again with the hydrating fix. This is so that I can blend my concealer. It's not really necessary this step, but I just do it. All right, so if you haven't used a powder puff to blend in your concealer, I don't know what you're doing, guys. This works wonders. Just blend. And going in with Maybelline New York to set under the eyes. And you want to make sure you are using a different powder puff. You don't want to use the one that you're using to blend out the concealer. You don't want your makeup to shift. You want everything to lock in and stay where it needs to stay. Go in with MAC just to bring a bit of color back in and also set the foundation. So I'm going to bake using the Laura Mercier in the shade Translucent Honey. I'm going to go in with NARS in the shade Laguna 07, and she is pretty. While I bake, I'm going to do my eyes. So I go in again. So this is the color case made by Mitchell. Oh, I don't want to show inside, but she's been abused. Oh, my poor palette. But yeah, she's scary. I'm gonna do something bronzy. Yeah, something bronzy. I always go for bronzy. I don't know. Should I do something different? I don't know. Next time. But anyways, so going in with caramel, going in with the shade All Access. Going in with nude eye. So I just keep playing around until I get it to my liking. So that right here, just pack it on. And look, she looks scary like that, but trust the process. So going in with the first shade again, Sheer Genius. So I am using the Silver Striking, actually. Oh, that is pretty. So going in with the shade, oh, what shade is this? Shade Cooler. One of my favorite part is now blush. So Fenty Beauty, Choo turned, so I don't want to get too much. I just want to blend that. Oh, she's like the perfect pink. And this is so pretty. And I bring it up to my brows. Something about bringing blush up. I don't know, it just does something. And just a little bit of blush on the nose. So now we're going to get rid of the excess powder that was around. And I just usually like swipe away. Going in and then just pressing and swiping. Supposed to stay away from the eyes. For the waterline, I'm going to go use Ordinary. Look how settled that is. Going in again with the Morphe palette, I'm going to use Naked Eye for the under eye. I'm going to use a Show Off just to blend the lips. I am going in with MAC, and this is the shade Chestnut. I love this lip liner. Going in with NYX. I already love how this looks coming. Wow, she is pretty. If I want to use concealer on the lips or use a pink. I like. She's pretty. She's pretty. I don't know. Something about her. I like it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's gonna be pink. Mascara for the lashes. And to hold everything in place, I am going in with L'Oreal. Oh, this one is very strong. It literally smells like hairspray. You have to hold your breath in or else you're gonna inhale everything and you're gonna possibly choke. So So this is how the makeup turned out. I am obsessed. So this is one of made by Mitchell. It is a body gel highlighter. Oh my days. All right, taking down my curls. Let me start at the back. Let's pull them out together.